Hello and welcome. This tutorial will introduce the Ochre lexicography tools. If your project includes texts, you can easily build and edit dictionary references with the Ochre lexicography tools. In this video, we will introduce the two wizards that can help in this process. In certain cases, you may wish to do your lexicography work manually. Those tools are available as well. To activate the lexicography tools, select the text you wish to work on and view the text. Arrange the screen to your liking. In this case, I'll remove description, links, translation because I won't need them. I prefer to work in parallel mode. And it will be helpful in the future to have our dictionary open. And I'll just resize that a little bit. Activate the lexicography tools by clicking on the ABC button. The items in yellow are unlinked to the dictionary, meaning that this discourse unit is not linked to a specific dictionary form. There are two lexicography wizards. The first wizard helps you link words to the dictionary and gives you the opportunity to parse words. The second wizard examines words already linked to the dictionary and lets you parse them. Click the button for the wizard you wish to launch. In this case, we'll do the first wizard because I would like to link some of these yellow words to the dictionary. Ochre begins by finding the first unlinked word. In this case, it finds a word that's actually a scribal error, and it tells me that this word occurs twice in this text, which it does. Same scribal error occurs down here. So in this case, I do not want to link this to the dictionary, so I am actually going to skip this word. The next word it finds is the number 13, and I have not yet decided how I want to link that to my dictionary, so I'm going to skip that as well. And it's going to find a couple broken words, which by my policy I am not going to link to my dictionary. And after I skip through some of these broken words, Ochre will find the first real word that is unlinked to the dictionary. You'll notice it has displayed to me that this word occurs 10 times in this text, and that it has found 3 forms in the dictionary that could possibly match this word. At this point, you can select which of the forms it found by opening this pick list. And in this case, I would like to pick the plural form of this noun, just to make sure this is the right one. It is. So I selected that and said, please link this word to this dictionary entry. And I can click accept. And Ochre will make that connection and move on to the next word. And it's the very next word in the text. And in this case, it has found a word that is written with these 4 consonants, but in fact, this is not the word in this text. This word is actually some sort of social category. As such, I would want to add a new form to the dictionary. To add a form to the dictionary, first we tell Ochre where we want to add it in our dictionary. So here I am in the linked items pane, my project, selected dictionaries, selected the dictionary where I want to add this word. The word begins with an ion, and chances are this word already exists, but just not in this written form. It's not that one. It's that one. So this is where I would like to add this form. So I'm going to tell Ochre to add a new form there. And now it's asking me for a phonemic transcription. So I give it the phonemic transcription, click OK, and it has added that word and that grammatical form to dictionary. And note that I have checked this box that says include back references. So if I were to look up this form, this actual attested form in my dictionary, it would have a reference to RS 11858 line 30, showing the back reference to this text. Now, at this point, I have the opportunity to parse this selected form. So here we are, I'm in this pick list. I can parse this selected form, and it brings up a dialog box for parsing. And this is just pulling from your taxonomy where you've already set up your parse variables and values. And in my case, I have also set up a number of predefinitions: verb, type of verb, imperative, nouns, other things that I use a lot. So I just will select noun for this one. I'll quickly make my selections here. It's a masculine plural noun in the absolute state, in the genitive, and the nominal form I am going to leave undecided at this point. Click Save, adds my abbreviations of all those parsings there, hit Done, adds all that parsings to this form. Not to the actual attested form, but to the grammatical form. Now, I need to say accept. So Ochre is just waiting for me to move on at this point. So if I click accept, you'll notice that the phonemic transcription down here reflects the changes that I made, and then Ochre moves on to the next word in the text. So that's a very basic introduction to this lexicography wizard. It should be enough to get you going on your own. If you have questions, obviously feel free to contact us. Otherwise, happy parsing.